In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to emails in Moosend. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an image, fine-tune how it looks, and save your work with confidence. Start by opening the drag and drop editor. This is the visual workspace where you build your email. Think of it as your design canvas. On the left, you'll see content blocks. In the middle, your live layout, and on the right, the settings panel that changes based on what you've selected. Give the editor a moment to load so all tools are ready. Next, bring an image block into your email. You'll find it in the content block list. Click and drag it to the exact spot where you want your image to appear. You'll see guides indicating where it will land. Drop it into a single column area for a bold, full-width look, or into a multi-column section if you want images alongside text. If you change your mind later, you can always drag it to a new position. Click inside the image area to add your visual. You'll get the choice to upload from your device or pick something from your library. Uploading is great for new assets. The library is perfect if you've already used the image in another campaign. For best results, use optimized JPEG or PNG files. Keep file sizes as small as possible while maintaining clarity, especially since many email layouts are around 600 pixels wide. If your image is much larger, consider resizing it before uploading to speed up loading for your subscribers. Now fine-tune the appearance. Use the width controls to set a precise size or enable full width to span the container. Adjust alignment to left, center, or right depending on the tone you want. Centered is a safe default that looks tidy on most devices. Add or reduce padding to give the image breathing room so it doesn't crowd nearby text. If available, set alt text to describe the image for accessibility and for situations where images are blocked. You can also add a link if you want the image to be clickable. Keep mobile in mind as you tweak. A slightly narrower image and generous spacing usually reads better on small screens. If your editor includes fit options like contain, cover, or crop, use them to prevent awkward stretching. When you're happy with the look, save your design. Click Save to lock in your changes so nothing is lost. That's it, your image is now part of your email and ready for the next stages of your campaign.